Here's your help video for assignment 4.6.2. I'm actually going to skip the first two. They're very similar to the notes you took on page 4.6.1. So let's go to the bottom one on the front side of the page here. It says you need 5 cups of cereal to fill 4 bowls. What is the unit rate of cups of cereal per bowl? All right, there's the word bowl. And if I look back into the first sentence, it didn't say bowl. It said bowls, which means we went from having multiple 4 bowls to having just 1. This is our unit rate. We want to know how much cereal in just 1 bowl. I think this problem is a little bit tricky to draw a picture of. Here are my bowls. It started with 4. Bowl 1, bowl 2, bowl 3, bowl 4. So now I have 5 cups of cereal. All right, here we go. Cup 1, cup 2, cup 3, cup 4, cup 5? What do I do now? I'm feeling kind of stuck. So I'm going to pause right here, and I'm going to go over to the equivalent fraction version. Remember, we want to get from 4 bowls to 1 bowl. So I'm going to write 4 bowls and 1 bowl, and then make those be fractions. And going back to the sentence, it said 4 bowls needed 5 cups of cereal. So we'll put that up on top here. 5C cereal. 5 cups of cereal. So to get from 4 bowls to 1 bowl, we need to divide by 4. That's easy enough. But on the top, divide by 4. 5 divided by 4, use my calculator for this. 5 divided by 4 is 1.25, 1 and 25 hundredths. Right, so I can write it that way, but I don't really know what that would look like inside my bowl. So the other thing that I could do, instead of writing it as 1.25, is I could write it as 5 divided by 4 like this. 5 divided by 4. Yep, that still says 5 divided by 4. But even that looks confusing. 5/4 cup cereal. So what about if I made it be a mixed number? Here we go. Oh, yep, I already did that. 5 divided by 4 is 1. So we'll put the 1 out front. We'll put the 4 down below. And then we'll think 1 times 4 is 4. I'm not going to write 4. I have to get to 5. 4 plus 1 gets us there. Which means inside each 1 bowl of cereal, there should be 1 1/4 cups of cereal. This makes a lot more sense to my brain. We'll write it in blue. 1 1/4 cups of cereal in just 1 bowl. Let's write that down below, and then we'll look back at the picture. The unit rate is 1 1/4 cups of cereal per 1 bowl. All right, back to the picture. Remember how it was 1 1/4? Take a look at this. I'm going to zoom way in as far as I can. Grab a really skinny pencil, and I'm going to cut this into 4. So this little piece here in the top left, keep going skinny here. This one would go here. Oh, I don't even know if I can draw a 4th. It's so tricky. Give it my best shot. Okay, there's a 4th, right? And then this little one right here would go up there. So we'll put that one, do the best I can. That's the one's a little bit better. And then this one over here, grab green, skinny. This one would go over there, looks like this. And then the very last one we'll do in orange, goldish. That one would go right over here. There. Now you can see that with each bowl of cereal, I have 1 1/4. 1 cup plus 1/4 of a cup. Over here, there's 1 plus 1/4. Over here, there's 1 plus 1/4. And then in the last one, there's 1 plus 1/4. A unit rate, taking multiples of something and figuring out, well, what if we just had 1 of them? How much would go with that 1? You can draw the picture. You can see the picture was tricky for this one. or you could do equivalent fractions. If you wanted to keep it as a decimal, you could. Technically not wrong. But again, 1 1/4 cups of cereal makes a lot more sense to my brain than 1.25. Good luck. Don't forget to check the answer key when you finish.